Carlo Messina, in the past you've told me that you wanted to grow your asset management business.
Yes.
How would you do that? What will you do with Eurizon?
So the asset under management business can grow organically, so through the work that we are doing with our clients in Italy. We have still 500 billion euros of deposited asset under administration that we can convert into asset under management. But then, on the other side, we can also consider possibility to make a combination with other big players in Europe, try to find some possible idea of creating a big asset under management company in Europe. To do this, you need to have a target, and at the same time, you need to have an alliance, because we are Italian, domestic. I have very strong people in Eurizon, in my factory, but they are not international mindset. So I need also something that can help us in managing this international potential target. And so we are looking to possible opportunity to make alliance with big global player in the world. The real point is that at this timing we have no target. So the project cannot start because we don't want to sell a minority stake. We want to create...
So that's out of the question.
Absolutely. So we want to create a combination, and in case of combination, we are ready to make an alliance with a partner that can bring product and competencies to this new big company. But today we have no target. So.
Okay, so there's a rumor that you're willing to sell a minority stake to BlackRock and then create a joint venture. Is that nonsense?
We are making a lot of conversation with the big global player. I have a very good personal relation with Larry Fink, Bob Capito, with all these candidates. So that's for sure. But we are working in a world in which we have to find the best solution for the company in order to create value for all shareholders. But the first step is to find a target, and today we are not in that position.
But so if you find a good target, would you consider also selling minority stake?
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
So it just depends on
yes, depends on the target, because increasing the dimension of the asset under management, we will need to make a step in terms of internationalization. So we are not an international asset under management company, apart from the 49% stake that we have in Penghua, that is one of the big asset under management company in China. So it is 80 billion euros. But at the end, we need to have something. If you want to play the Champions League, you need to have someone that can help you in this game.
Carlo Messina, is it taking a little bit longer than expected? Is it a little bit frustrating, or you're just holding out for the good deal?
So the real point is that we concentrated the first part of the plan on making the deal with Intrum. The deal with Intrum was really a masterpiece, in my opinion. We made a fantastic job making the disposal of 11 billion euros. Today we are, in terms of non-performing loans, net at the same level of 2009. So it is, in my view, something very important. It takes time. I devoted myself to work in this transaction. Now we delivered on the risking, and now we can also concentrate on possible growth. But it is something that we can do in the next months with no hurry at all.